How to change add to cart text in Shopify. Changing add to cart text in Shopify customizes your store's language to better fit your brand or audience preferences, enhancing user experience and engagement. Now, if you want to do that, then here's what you are going to do. First things first, go ahead and look for your store and then make sure that you are in the themes section. Now here we're going to go ahead and scroll down and look for your current theme. So as you can see, this is the one that I'm using right now. I can just go ahead and click this one here and then click edit default theme content. Now here for the filter items, you're going to go ahead and look for add to cart option. Now you should see something like this. Now as you can see, this is how it looks right now. As you can see, it says there add to cart. So if I were to go ahead and open my own store, I'm going to go ahead and show you in a moment. Alright, as you can see, it says here add to cart. Now I'm going to go ahead and change this one, say for example, to secure your treasure. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and save all of these changes, and then we're going to go back here, we're going to refresh it. There you go. That's how easy it is, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to change your add to cart text in your Shopify. As always everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.